So that's really loud. Jeez, why is everything so loud right now? Tofu's defeated. Okay, so something's breaking. Heal hurt, base nil. I don't know why that's happened. Well, oh, maybe exit event queue. I don't know. I don't think it would be that. So it's taking us to the victory state. Oh no, I never changed the game over music. Let me find in here. I have something. Let's see. I have two of them. Oh, one's black. Tension. That sounds good. No. Let's just do that for now. Excuse me. So that way we have something to play. So I think we're going to game over. I don't know why it's calling. Maybe it's a state thing. So I think it's when we go to exit. Exit. And if we go here, we want to do. We are doing that. Because all the party members should be defeated. Right, if there's one that's not, that's fine, we return. If they are, we go there. We'll see if those changes fix it. That's a lot of guards. In my last video, I added a weighted choose so that they're more likely to attack than defend. And then later on, man, we're still getting that. It's going to the right state. Well, I think we're going to have to do a breakpoint and figure out why it's continuing. So let's just put a breakpoint in game over. Llama's hanging in there. Weird. I don't get that. Because I'm not even getting, it looks like I'm not getting to game over. But that music is playing. So maybe when I put that, that's not never gonna run. Like I don't think that works for a breakpoint, so we'll try that. So Let's just try it right there. It'd be faster if I made a quick function to just wipe them out. Okay, so we're at the breakpoint. We're gonna step through until the game breaks. Or we'll try and like find the part where it would break. Advanced line, that's fine. Good. I don't see any problems so far. So it's just all in the text. So, okay, we finished that. We're returning. Good. But it continues down here. That's what? We're exiting the queue. Okay, we gotta redo that because I think I went too fast. All right, you got it, Tofu. 3 health. All right, so we're gonna jump through. I think we have a while to go, so I'm gonna go pretty fast until we get back to the battle. Okay, so we're at the end of game over. We're at that return, right? But what does it do? It just goes down here. That makes how? What? What? Why? Why is it skipping that? There's no logic to that. It says return. Like, we hit return, and what does it do? It jumps down to here? That makes no sense whatsoever. What are you doing to my cabinet? My cat. Cats, man. That's interesting. I hit reload and it crashed. It's always fun. So we gotta get back to battle. Before we do anything, let's just try reload. So we've got So I'm gonna keep. I think actually we're gonna go to game over and change that breakpoint. So we'll go to the end of game over maybe. So we don't need to go through all that battle text stuff. All right, will they make it past the turn? Tofu did not. Llama stuck it out. Okay, so we're still breaking. And my breakpoint apparently didn't even run. He'll hurt base nil. I think, do we just do an extra check? You know, if, or no, do this. What? Why isn't that? we can just check down here. Or actually, get rid of that. Just like an extra check. We'll see if that fixes it. Well, it's not really an extra check, it's just I moved it. Just gonna fly through. That did fix it. Wow, I don't understand. Oh, I had that. 2 equals null. Hey, whatever. If it's working, I'm happy. So I think we fixed that. We're in a new battle. And now it crashes. Okay. Oh, I know what the problem is. I think because we're not checking if no, we are. If from is defeated, like that should be they should be gone. Besides, it's telling me I have to run it again. How come that fixed it when I just did it right there? But okay, so looks like it works there. Oh, we're not reloading. I gotta look at how we're loading in the enemies. Okay, we are duplicating, so the enemies should have health, but llama and tofu aren't. And so it's just going right to them. Is instance valid too? Let me just do, let's see if that's the fix. I think what's happening is when we reload, they're already defeated. No, it's just, it's weird because it's not, like it works sometimes. I really don't understand this code. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, that was the problem all along. We were advancing it, but we weren't returning. Oh my gosh. Oh, shit. That's gotta be it. That makes sense because it was never going out of that. Alright, looks good. And then the problem there is that our players are defeated. And so I need to add a check in here. So we're gonna do if debug. Let's see, we're gonna do if debug member not feel hurt. We're gonna do so we're gonna give them a full heal. And what do we call MP? I think it's add MP. We're just gonna like make sure they're always topped off, and so I can double check that in the battle actor. We have MP add. And that's totally just for debugging. Although we're not. Oh my gosh. NPAD has to be mapped. Map. It's going to be MP plus value. Oops. 0. Okay. Alright. Looks good. We should be. Or not. What? What? Oh my gosh. You know what? I kind of hate this defeated. That's such a pain in the ass. We're going to do. We don't want that variable because then we have to reset it. We want that to be a function. And we're going to call it like. Has to be up, above, heal hurt. We're going to do function is defeated. And then we just have to, we don't even need that anymore. We do need that. And then anywhere that we're doing defeated, actually it's going to be a find and replace. It's going to be defeated. Or replace with that. But we want to look, all of these look good. Not these, no. Those are flags. We don't want to mess with the flags. That is just not showing because we didn't save that script yet. That's good. We don't want to change that. None of the prints need to be changed. Battle tech, yeah. Like any strings we don't want to change. Let me change my keyboard real quick. Member defeated, players end, looks good. We don't want to edit those comments. That looks good. Looks good. Oh, those are just placeholders, of course. They're all defeated. Okay. Yeah, sure. Hopefully, I can never tell if it's going to do it when I got to do defeated. I think we're good. Okay. So let's save. I think we should be good now. That should, yeah. Alright, so let's get whooped. Hang in there, Tofu. Oh, sorry, Tofu. And so we should be good now. No! Okay. Go to next party member. What is the problem? We reload. We go here. It's, how is this not? And Alright, so now it's going to print out, and we're going to see what the problem is here. No, I don't think we got anything. What the hell am I printing? Who's printing that vector? That must be in the arrow, I would think. Are you printing? No. Are you printing? No. We have something printing. Is it GUI tween? Yep. That's why we're doing this, so we don't have to worry about it later. Alright, back to battle. We are... I don't understand. So it works until we reload. Base index 0 and base array. Interesting. There's an issue when we reload, like the party is resetting. Is there somewhere that I'm removing them from the array when they get defeated? So anyway, I can see let's debug globals. Party, yeah, our party's getting cleared. Why in the world? Because it's a load? I don't think I can preload, can I? Okay, maybe that's what we need. So I think load just happens once. Let's see what happens. I mean, it really only matters for debugging. Yeah, like they're not getting... What the hell? For real, what? Like, they're clearly here. Well, I guess not if they're not getting healed. Baby. That was fast. It is debugging. but we're losing players. What the F? What the F? I need to fix my keyboard setting. Sovi, where in the world? Pin member. Oh, shoot. That's the problem. That's why. That's a tricky one right there. See, because when you get a reference to an array, you're like editing, when I'm doing this, I'm editing that array. So we have to make a duplicate of it right there. And then that should fix our problem. Llama hanging in. So these two should come back with full health. Calling it. It could be a GUI issue. No? But it'll probably keep doing this, yeah. We need to figure out why that's not doing anything. Also get rid of some of these. Need that. Print enemy. Alright, so that's connected. Oh. Is it not connected to the GUI or something? These info cards. Add party member. Like that all looks good. Is there a problem here? Right, they're connected. Oh, wait. Is it a timing issue? Let's give those guys a break. Well, no, I need to see. I need to be defeated. What? I really need music. That has not aged well, that logo. So here's what I want to do. We're gonna do that. We want to see a knitting info card before we print those names like that, and so that looks good. Yeah, why not? are they not emitting that? Taking a detour. Forget where it is. Alright, it's not in there. Must be in here. There we go. No, it's not that. I don't know if that's what I wanted, but so heel hurt's working. We want to see it right at the beginning. Is it when we reload, is it not in debug mode? Is that the problem? Doesn't make sense. We can see the parties there. Oh shit. At this. No, we gotta do revive. Yeah, that's why. Because they are defeated, and I have the logic where they don't heal if they're knocked out all the way. Oh my gosh. Um, no, it's alright. It looks like we're good. Now I think what the game needs is timing for all the actions. Should do something fun real quick. I need something fun after all that crap. Let's do. Let's get. Not even gonna check it. I know it's gonna work. Boom. Should I just make an Earthbound like? Alright, so we're gonna get back to enemies we can actually fight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the stream title now. Oh yeah, that's old. That should fix that. Yeah. Good. So, okay. We'll find out why that arrow is not matching modulate, right? Actually, I want to do less than 1. So I only want to see if it's actually animating. What do I do? Lose focus? Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's not working at all. Modulate target. Let's print. Actually, my bad. Yeah, it's not showing me that at all. So it's going to be in. Get to menu. Oh, duh. We're fading in the fade transition. This is where we need to change something. This needs to be on a canvas layer. That's our problem. So if we go here, we gotta see, this is on layer 1. What is it? Lower numbers are drawn first. So the fade transition needs to be, let's see, add child canvas layer. We're gonna make that the scene root. And so we're actually gonna give that, and it's gonna be canvas layer. Then we can put this on layer 2. And so this will always draw. Actually, I don't even think I have to do that. It should just draw over top of the arrow now. And so we don't need all that crap. We can keep the modulate target because we might want that eventually. Let's see, it's probably with how, yeah. We're gonna make this scene name for it. Class name, whatever. That should fix it. Actually, have to change this? Do I have these? No. You don't have modulate? So now everything's messed up. That should be good now. So I think we need to do uh, I have that somewhere already. Oh, we want sure. Didn't want that. Oh. Could just be happening really fast too. Might want to send it with a duration. Let's see. I don't know. Screw it. I don't get it anymore. I don't get why. I thought that would have been it, but it's not. Do we have a GUI tween on it or something? See, I don't see where that's fading. Oh, it's on the bottom, that's why. So we're fading in the whole bottom, that makes sense. That's why we're not picking up that modulate on the menu. How about we just override it? I don't know. I don't care about it right now. Let's check the notes. Let's see. Oh, that's just my kid stuff. Give menu item. I think we can do that. So we're gonna get back in the GUI just for a little bit. Let's see. It's gonna be the status window. Need a change here. Let's get some. Let's see what we have. Get some video game. Why didn't that display? Man, Pandora's got a jacked up system here. What? Like I've got to click right in that for it to play? That's dumb. Boo, boo, doo, 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 doo. So when we load the data, we need something like show or show stat comparisons. So we're going to send through the it's going to be current. What should we call it? We'll just call it current target. And so we're gonna do maybe like that. Actually, so we're gonna do values that size. We're gonna do the so current is going to be that, but we're going to convert it to an int, which and target is going to be we need that too. So we need to get the battle actor. So player. gonna be, we need stats. Okay. Oops. So now we have that, we can just do current equals target is going to be don't I have a function for this when I equip? What are we returning? Attack or armor? So I think for now, really, it's just, I mean, we can loop through all these, but it's a good way to do it. Do slots. No. We have stats somewhere. 3. So it's going to be index 0, 1, 2, and 4. Just keep it simple for now. That's what we do. We're going to do, it's going to be an array now. Going to equip item. My gosh. Slot, you need to know the slot. I don't know why we need that, because you should be able to get that yourself, right? The item has the slot. So I'm actually going to delete that. We're going to do yeah. And you know what? That's a lot better. Go back here. So equip. And dude, no. It's, what the hell? What did it do? Reload? Come on. That's an optional. Oh, which reminds me, we have to go and fix that now. Oh, crap. Oop. Yeah, we don't need that. Dude, why? I've updated it. Whatever. That's so annoying. Okay, we're good. Then we get target. Then we're going to I need to get the previous. It'll be player.equipment. Does that give me all? It's gonna be item.slot. So previous equipment. It's kind of like the test, which really, whatever. This is the only place in the game we have to use it, so it doesn't matter. No, we're gonna do it right. I'm tired of half-assing shit. Pardon my language. We're just gonna return get. That's correct. So if test, we're gonna revert. All right, that's good. Let me just do test. We don't need this crap. And we can do target equals that. All right, now it's done right. We just have to update. It's going to be. I don't think it's in there that we have to worry about it, but it's going to be. Let me refine that search. So here. Well, that's what we're working on right now. So target value is actually going to be that, but item.slot. And that's fine. So what's your problem here? Int doesn't match. Okay, now we're good. So now we want to go through. I don't need that anymore either. And actually, we just cleaned it up, so yeah. Then we're going to do. It's going to be values I dot text equals string target. Oh my gosh. Target I. If current I is greater than target I. Actually, let's do. know if I can get used to this keyboard. Like the keys are too high up or something. But we'll give it a chance. Now we can do that. And then we go down here, value label, dot modulate equals color dot red. So if the current value is greater than target, else elif current I is greater than or less than target I, we're going to do value label dot modulate equals color dot green. I might even do that green yellow. That's kind of nice. Else it must be 0, so we're gonna just make sure that it's white. And so we're not printing them side by side, we're just indicating by color for now, and we'll see what that looks like, assuming my code works. So, okay, it's not working. So we're highlighting on that. Oh, we're never calling that, that's why. So that's going to be in GUI when we focus on items middle. It's going to be fire and the item. Does this return the item? No. We have to do status. Don't I have a status window? Yeah. So now that should work. Clipping short sort. These are not updating, so let's check out. If test, we revert. Okay, so these just are not showing up. We're running this code in here. Current I, value label. What? See, that, I mean, that's what we're trying to do. Like, but just to see if it's doing anything. Why isn't this code working? There's something that's resetting it afterward. And that's totally possible. 0, 1, 1, 999. That's the value after. Actually, no. Are we? That's why we have to run this before. So what we have to do, we have to set stats array before we do that. and then we can just return that else. That should do it. You know what, game? You know what? Oh, shit. We do that. And then I think... Oh, man. Set that. If it's a test, we want to do that. Let's do our let's do that. This is what we need to do. No, it's going to be an array. Oh my gosh, do I really have to like... What a pain. For now, let's just do... Oh... Else we're gonna update the stats and return that, right? No. Revert. So we get the stats before we revert. Otherwise, don't need that. Otherwise, we just get it after. Let me return that. All right. Fingers crossed. Yes. Okay, we just have to change it back when we leave that. Do, 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 do. Equipment menu. Here we're going to just send through the player. And so I'll update that in here. Oops, we're not doing that yet. Same thing down here. Make sure they're all white when we go back. Base nil. This is old. I gotta check. Oops. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why is this not set? Let's just do it here. Shouldn't that be done when we focus on target's top? Do we even need that? Let's look at target stop in the focus. Wait, is that why? I think players. No, that's fine. I'm about to give the big middle finger to this game. Okay, looks like we're good. Need equipment. We focus on an equipment button. We need to set items data. Yeah, that should be updating that. So it updates. That's why. So that's right. We need these, I think. We come back from that. We come back from items middle. We want to update stats window. Uh, we're going to copy that. And then it's just going to be there we go. We got it. Let's just change that. Like, that's kind of nice. So we, oh jeez. Base nil. Let's just double check all these. All right, so okay, so we have to do, we have to check, do that item. Item is null. Oh, that's why we have to send the slot. Because the item might be null. Did I get rid of? Okay. So we're still getting it. I just have to go and find where we're doing. Where was I doing that? Let's look up. It's like when we equip. Fun. Oh, That's okay. Beautiful. Although, I think we have to load the data too. Bum, 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 bum. Just call it reset. And then in that, there's a, need the player. So we'll call that. So if we do that, right, there we go. Let's see, stick, doesn't change. All right, cool. We got that done. That was a tough one. Whew. I don't even know if I care too much about these. We're gonna actually, we're not doing that. We're gonna go back to using the notes in here. Alright, that's good. Alright, yep. Oh, you know what? Actually. Wrap toggle. I fixed that. Low priority, low priority. I think the next thing we need are battle items. We'll put using items and spells in battle. A battle. That'll be good, and we'll have make effects for these as well. Could repurpose the what do I call it? I have to open up the battle. So I have an instance of it in there, I believe. Yeah, my brain's a little fried right now. Screen flash. Not really repurpose, add new animations to the screen flash. For simple effects, can expand these effects later. So let's pop open battle. Let's take a look. Woo, baby. I'm jamming. So East world, we need to go to, man, this is a beefy script. Holy cow. 400 lines. Kind of nuts. So we have item. Did I add my item menu? No. So that, I think we'll just draw that like right here maybe. Let's pop it in and see what it looks like. I gotta get this off. About ready for a break. Is this all healthy? Oh, sorry. Why are you using old? Long-term stable. What am I developing at Zukazi? I'm developing. It's a Dragon Quest clone. Even though they're not there, I'm putting that there for posterity's sake. Okay, so I don't know why it's showing that. Oh, we're like way back in this. Okay, cool. Whatever. So I need to figure out how to show my chat. I could have sworn they. How about I take a second here? We'll get to that later. So you guys probably won't see that, but it's there anyway. All right, so items. But those were one of those was a good question. What's wrong with this? Yeah, I know. Okay. Just do that. Can we just ignore you? There we go. So item. Need to get the item menu in there. So we don't want it in that V box. We do like a center. Let's see what that looks like. That looks like crap. Yeah. So we can have it. Is that really? It covers all the enemies there. I think. I might do that kind of thing where we do shrink end. That might work for now. So we show the items, and we'll do the same thing for the spells. Change that to items. So we just show that when we hit spell or item, when we just load the data. So we need a reference. Do it right above battle text. Item data. I have to send the player. Yeah. Do we have the player? Yeah, we will. Okay. Let's see if that just works. Loaded the wrong one. We want just battle. Expected 2? Oh, that's mandatory. Oh, whatever. We'll do it the actual in-game way. Alright, loading spells. Looks good, but we're not able to back out because I'm doing it. We need to advance. What am I in? Is that really what I call it here? Okay. Oop. That's fine. That's good. So that should work. We got that. I kind of like these backgrounds better than... Oh, we gotta hide this. I don't know why it's not hiding to begin with, because we should be calling go back one level. I might add a new and expand that. It's going to be hide on focus exit. That's false. But then we can do true for you. And then when we do disable focus, whoops, visible equals that. Equals not that. Beautiful. See how easy that is when you make things reusable? Although these are not usable for some reason. I have to take a look at when we load the items. Player MP. Why would that be? Disabled. Oh. Yeah. It's because actually I don't know. Oh, llama doesn't have any MP. Duh. But then these stay disabled. Item data. So we need to do a little bit confused by that. So we only show it if it's not set or it equals the right slot. So what we need to do is consumable. Yeah. Well, no, it should be, I think we do, how do we do this? I think we were handling the button disabling somewhere else. Target's middle. Gee, I really am not too sure. Set buttons disabled. What? I don't know where menu item is doing that. Just do buttons I dot no, set, just do this, disabled equals false. So I think we were disabling it here and then we had no way of resetting it. So we're just going to manually do it here. All right. Make sure it didn't break in here. No. That needs to be there. All right. Good. That all looks good. That does not look good. And it's because when we focus and we're on the equipment menu, that's weird. Spacing's also messed up. Yeah, what the heck? Whoa, we're way broken. Something is so jacked up. How do I hide that? Oh, that's why. We had no way to get to that. No. Item is less than item size. That looks right. Let me just go all the way back. Okay, that was causing an issue. I'm gonna do that and see how these compare. Oh shit. That's I don't get that. Disable it, but we don't hide it. I think we need to look at here, slot. I guess if we're hiding it, we don't have to disable it. Dude, whatever. Alright, so we need that to go. That's weird. Target's top is not hiding anymore in the GUI. So target stop should be hiding. So something else is telling that the show. What in the world? Like, okay, it stays there when we do that, right? Oh. Let's just put that there. No. It's just totally... Oh my gosh. It's like something is overriding its visibility. Top menu. Oh, shit. Like, look, I print visible. M. False, 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 false. Saying it's false. Dude, what the heck? There, have that. Whoops. Dude, it just can't exit. We cannot exit the menu. Oh. Is status window null? see what's going on here. What am I printing it in menu still? Wait, what? It's is the GUI I think I know the problem. I think when we reset, are we doing... Yeah, top menu should not be in the window. Yeah, that's the problem. Here's what we're going to do. Top menu is not going to be a field menu. And so now we're going to get that input ourselves. Let's just copy that and I don't have another input for that, so it's going to just be I think we're just going to do... Wait, why was that a problem before? Like, it was working. What the heck changed? Like, after we do this, we're going to remove... so it's going to be... And then we're going to do here, if top menu visible, we're going to hide it. Oh my gosh, it's not working. Oh no, because it's... We got to change this. That's the freaking problem. We got to change the signal. So we don't want this anymore. We're going to change it to signal shown. Like that, and we're gonna do, actually no. Or, that's fine. Let me just go down here. Get rid of that. And we'll just split that up. So we keep that. Top menu visible. do that. What? It's in there. Why isn't I don't understand this fucking game. Pardon my language. Like what? Let me go back. Oh no. So we're not gonna hide it there. So we want to go to reset. So if actually, yeah. I might have to write this down. Let's do it in Notepad. Let's do a new. Close that. So we press M. Menu toggles visibility. GUI receives visibility signal. GUI resets if menu is hidden. That should be fine. If we back out, press cancel. Press cancel. We manually hide nothing. we're just going to delete that. Oh. Well, it's main menu. That's fine. I think really put main up there. No, we need that. So middle will be out, then we have everything else. I lose my text box. We're gonna copy and paste that down here and delete everything but the text box. And right, make this full. This has to be full first. That looks good. I don't know why it's like pushing over there. So main menu. See, now we can, instead of that crap, we can get rid of this. When we reset, let's see, we're going to, we still want to do that, but we also want to do menu.hide. Actually, yeah. Guess that's all right. So we're going to do that. I have to update all of these. So we're going to do like that. Or no. Sorry, no. No. We're just replacing that. Oh, shoot. That's on me. We've had some pretty nasty bugs. Like, especially today, but I feel like it was yesterday too. But anyway, I think I'm getting to the end of this bug, hopefully. So if top menu is visible, we want to show. Let's take that. Oh my gosh. No, it's not working. Is it because you're like, are you showing when we grab button focus? Yes. Is that causing a problem? Let's see if not. I don't know. I don't know why it would be a problem now. It hasn't been for so long. see how many times you see this. Three times. False, true, true. Let me see something. Okay, hide that. It's still false, true, true. I mean, like, I could do show, show, right? Okay, so that does not affect it. I don't understand how we're going. When I press up at the, up here, right? This is the only place we're changing visible. On ourself. I guess when we disable focus. I don't get it. This field menu, hide on start, auto disable focus. I don't focus exit. We don't want that. I don't know. I'm pretty perplexed here. False, true, true. So it's hiding and then something is toggling it back on. Nothing. Same thing when we do it there. It's like, and how can it go true, true? Unless I'm printing something else out, which could totally be throwing me off. So we need to do, that way we know. False, true, true. How is that possible? Okay, that is so done. We're just gonna give it to the, so you're not gonna be a field menu. And GUI is gonna take over for this input here. Which is, I'm just gonna shut up and focus here. We're gonna do, well, we gotta look at what we were doing here. We pretty much want that. I think that's in reset. Yeah. Else we reset. Yeah, like these things. Whoops. Back one level. We have reset. Yeah, these are all things that we can just set. No, shit. Now we get nothing. GUI. Alright, so main menu. We have to hide it by default. Dude. Oh. That's probably it. Oh my gosh. Why those are like what? Why does everything just keep breaking? I really I really do not understand. Reset, do we stop? We're hiding all the windows there. Just like main menu hide. It's gotta be in go back one level. So if we're at the top menu, you should be hiding all of those. What the current level equals we wanna do what the dude? What the that's not what I want. What? Okay, maybe it's that high because that's the only thing I can think of. Yeah. That's the problem. Yeah, we're good. Woo! Alright, I am like exhausted from dumb bugs. Let's just check out. Is this working now? Alright, this looks good. We do need to disable items that we can't use. And I think that's a quick fix. We just have to put the slot. So it's going to be, I think it's just 0 for consumables. So we'll get into another battle. Check that. No, that's like removing. Or no, it's, I don't know, actually. We're going to make a note. Need to disable unusable items in battle. Check GUI for how this is handled. I'll need to handle in items menu instead of GUI. If that is the case, that's my note for that. Other than that, we're in pretty good shape here. Battle's good. Just want to run through the battle without bothering with items or spells. Good. All right, let's fight. Yeah, so I think my next session I'll focus on battle effects and finishing up items and spells in battle, which should not be too difficult. Those are famous last words, right? Let's finish this fight, get some experience points, and we're Gucci. Now we can check, see we're getting experience. Good stuff. I do need to print out our money. Make another note. Print money. All right, so I am logging off. Thank you for watching if you're here. Have a great day. And let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to focus on anything in particular.